Hello guys. In this section, I want to talk about the backend part. I already create React Native application. We have login, sign up, profile, home, and notification screen. So let's go and set up our backend environment. Then we can start the development part of the backend, start writing prompt and something like that. And after that, after the backend part finish, we can start connect this front end to the back. So let's go and see how we can handle this situation. I'm opening the cursor here. It's empty. I'm not opening any project or folder here. Just want to ask some prompt from the cursor about in the chat part. I mean in the ask part, not in the agent part. I don't want to write I don't want from cursor to write any code or something for me. Just want to ask question, or maybe we can go with agent. I want to create a Nest.js backend project. Please provide step by step guide, then I can create that. So let's go and let's see how it will generate and how it will guide us to provide the and to create the Nest.js application. First, it asking from us to create a folder with Nest backend name. After that, go to that folder with cd command, and after that we should globally install the Nest.js CLI. Okay, if I tap on run command, it will run it here. So let's do that. It's running the command here. It's creating the Nest backend for us. I mean a folder, and after that it will go to that directory and install this in Nest.js CLI for us. Let's wait for that until the installation finish. Okay, we are good to go. Everything is okay. After that, we should create our project. Okay, with this command nest new project manager npm, we can create new Nest project. Maybe we can choose another project management here. For example, yarn project package manager, excuse me. For example, yarn npm or anything else. But the command that is provided for us is with npm. So let's go and let's create with that. It's installing the dependency that our Nest application should have. It may take some time, so let's wait for that. Okay, the project created, and as you can see here, we can start that with npm run start. With this command we can start the project. As you can see here, let's run this, open terminal. Let's do something else here. Let me stop this. Okay, I don't want from it to continue. Let me see, where is the project located? Here we have the, yes, we have Nest backend here. I want to move this Nest backend to the desktop. Please move Nest backend folder to my desktop. It will do that with a simple command. Env Nest backend to the desktop. Okay, let's run the command. So here we can see the Nest backend right now. Let me put it into the YouTube dating app folder, and as soon as I open that, we have the Nest backend here. Let me open the Nest backend in the cursor, open project, desktop, YouTube, and Nest backend. It's something that we can see here. Also, we can change the name of the application. You can ask from the chat and cursor to create the Nest application with that specific name that you want. Let me run this. Let me open my terminal here. At first I should switch my Node version. Maybe it's not something that you should do because you are installing. When you want to install, please install the latest version. In my machine I need the version 16 for some of the project that I have. It's the reason that I'm not deleting those versions. So then let's go to desktop, YouTube. Let's see what we have here. cd Nest backend npm start. Okay, and as you can see here, Nest backend start. As soon as you see this output, when you write this command in your terminal, it means your backend is ready to go and everything is okay.